5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Switch like back 7 and 8. We repeat again, but I want to change the music, go faster. Also 3 front, change back. What you mean? Everything fast. 1, 2, 3, change on 4. Okay, and then you pass right away. 5, 6, 7 to the back, fix on 8. From back reverse, we go slow first. 2 counts, 1 count you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right now, we do fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. We repeat. Pass it right away, back, pass it, okay? Back, pass it, switch front, fix. We do other thing up, exactly the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, change like, back face. Go fast. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This time go pass it up, hold stay, release bar. Up, front, fix, see, slow. Third time. Change leg, change arm. Change leg, 4 fast, 3 fast, 2, 3. Wait, please. Ending by passing. Landing fix, so you come back. 1, slow. 2. Third one. You gotta change leg. Change leg again, fast. 2, 3. Change, wait, please. Back passing. And front face. Side, slow. Slow. Good. Change leg. Change leg fast. 1, 2, 3. Change leg 4. Passing. This time, find the center. Release bar. Hold there.